Hello and welcome to week 11. March 25th is the last day. March 19th to the 25th. Shaw Online, English 111, Spring Semester 2018. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope you had a wonderful spring break. Yeah, that was last week. Yay, hope you did nothing for this class because that was the goal. Wanted you just to relax. So what are we doing this week? Well, you're going to complete the first full draft of paper 2. And which includes the conclusion, and you're going to upload the first draft to the discussion board. These few things. Now, there is readings in week 11 of Oh Did Ya? That is our textbook. It talks about conclusions and such like that, so you want to make sure you read that to make sure it'll help you. So what are we doing this week? Well, you're watching this video, yay. You're going to submit the first full draft of paper 2, yay. That's also due by the 23rd. You're going to complete the first draft there and here. So again, just like we did before, you're going to submit it in 2 different places. You're going to submit the first draft here, so I can see it, and then I will give you feedback, but you're also going to put it here. So you're going to upload it in 2 different places. Same assignment, upload it here, and upload it to the discussion board. So let's look at the discussion board, how you're going to do it. Okay, so then you would add a new discussion topic. Okay, and then you give a name, paper 2 first draft, whatever, and then this is my first draft. Boy, fingers don't want to work this morning. Okay, and then you would drag and drop the actual paper right here. Again, you can either add it, go in and find it, or you can drag and drop it into here. So that's what you're going to do, and then you'll post it to the forum. Once you post it to the forum, then you'll start to see other people's other papers. So what you're required to do is that for each student, okay, you're going to read 2 papers from other students. So after you've uploaded yours, and you're going to read 2 papers from other students, each student will give feedback to the papers they've read based on the feedback guide. I'll show you where that is in a second. Okay, the first review should be on a student who has not been reviewed. So if you see someone who's been reviewed and have like 4 people review the papers, and you see someone that has none, we'll pick the person that has none. We want to be doing that. And no more than 2 reviews should be done on each student. Okay. So if someone already has 2 reviews, you're like, ooh, but I like that student. Doesn't matter. Pick somebody else. Okay. If a student who does a review on a paper that already has 2 responses, that response will not count towards a grade. You are graded if you responded to other people. So let's go back to this week. Yeah, because I'm not actually uploading anything for this demonstration here. So again, you upload it there for me, upload it over there for them. Now you'll notice that you're uploading it here for me by the, you need to do that by Friday the 23rd, so I can give you feedback. And you're uploading it there by Friday the 23rd. But then you'll have an extra week to give feedback on this assignment, okay? The feedback on this assignment. So you'll have until the 30th to give feedback on their assignments. Now, what kind of feedback are you going to give? Well, there's this peer review sheet for the argument paper, which is right down here. So if you click on that, it loads this paper. So these are the kind of things, these are kind of the questions that you're looking at as far as did they do everything they were supposed to do. Okay. Now this is a full-blown research paper that is in MLA formatting that has a works cited page and all that kind of stuff. So it needs to have all these things. So you're going to read through these questions and you're going to ask, and then you're going to look at someone else's paper and say, did they do these things? And then you need to answer that. All right. So there's that. Oops. Don't need that one. I need to click on that one. Okay. Now, if you're struggling with MLA formatting or how to do works cited or any of that kind of stuff, remember at the top of the page there is a little thing called resources, or resources right there. And if you look under resources, there's a whole bunch of different things in here that can help you. Specifically for MLA formatting, there is this video right here that will show you how to set up an MLA formatted paper. Okay. What else do you need? To see how to set up a works cited page in MLA, watch this video. So if you're struggling with any one of those things, so these videos will help you figure out the specific things that you need to do. Will you get marked out on your final paper if it's not in MLA formatting? Yeah, you will, because as I've stated before in this class, at least I hope I stated before in this class, part of MLA formatting is not really, okay, this is a skill you're going to use the rest of your life as far as you'll use MLA for the rest of your life. No, not necessarily. But the skill you will use is being given a set of directions by your boss, and you are supposed to follow it directly, and correctly and on time. So these are skills, these are transferable skills that you will use in the workplace. So when I say, look, I want you to do MLA formatting, and I want you to do it exactly correctly, and I want you to do it on time, that's the kind of stuff that you're going to get once you get into the workplace. Not necessarily MLA formatting, but directions like that. So, anyway, so that's what's going on for week 11. So again, you're going to have the full paper. Again, read week 11 in Odigia. That is the textbook. And again, if you're like, what, the textbook? I was on spring break. Again, Odigia is found by clicking right there. Let's go ahead and click on it again for giggles, just to remind you what it looks like. And that's English 111. Open the course. Again, I see it a little differently than you because I'm the teacher. So it would be under week 11. Okay. And then just read the readings. Oh, it's actually called Finding Your Audience. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay. So there you go. That's what we're doing for this week. Let's go back to this one. Week 11. So welcome back from spring break. Hope everyone had a nice chance to just clear their heads. And let's go ahead and end on a strong note for the rest of the semester. All right. Go ahead and get to work.